this video, you're going to learn to search for properties at Checkmate Property. So you're going to come in here and you're going to access to do your login. And once you're logged in, you're going to be brought to this page where you can choose from the different options that Checkmate offers. So we're going to click on this first option that says properties off and foreclosure, and it's going to bring you to a map. In here, you can either search for a specific address, a neighborhood, a city, a state, or a zip code. In here, if you click in here, you can choose the filters. So the basic filters are going to be the pricing. You can put your price range in here, minimum and max. The property type, you can either click here if you don't want that option, or if you just click here, there's going to be a drop down that you can click to add more to your search. Okay, the status, you can also choose the status that you're looking for. If you're looking for properties that are for sale, properties off market, properties that have been sold, that are ready to build, foreclosure properties, auction properties, you just select what you're looking for in here in the filter. And then you can also select the bedrooms, minimum and max, and the number of bathrooms that you're looking for. And then you click apply, and all the options in the area that you're searching for are going to come up.